So guys, you can see I'm on the Ome TV screen right now. I'm gonna show you in this video how you can change the camera in Ome TV. If I hover my mouse on the video, you can see here I've got the option to choose between the USB camera and then the integrated camera. But I'm not getting here the option to switch between the third-party applications camera that's being installed on my PC. So I'm gonna show you in this video how we can choose the third-party applications camera for Ome TV. Now if I choose the integrated camera here, you can see here it switches properly and I can change it back to USB camera. Now if I click on the camera icon on the URL box and go to manage, scroll down and then go to camera, and if I change the camera from here to this Elgato virtual camera, and I'm gonna close the Ome TV, or I can just refresh it. Okay, you can see here it doesn't change the camera to Elgato camera and there's no option to change it from here. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the third-party applications camera in Ome TV. So let's close the Ome TV site firstly. And what you're going to do is, the most important thing is that go to search box and then type in here device manager. Go to device manager and expand the cameras here. And this is the most important step here. You have to disable the integrated camera and then the USB camera. So now I'm going to disable the integrated camera firstly. Disable. And then the USB camera. Disable. Now we can just minimize this and go to browser once again back. Now we can change the camera setting from here. Okay, let me just place it on Elgato virtual camera. Open new tab and then go to Ome TV. As you can see here, it gives you the Elgato camera screen and you can switch between other cameras from here. Now we can launch the Elgato camera application on your PC and then do the tweaking for Ome TV. And once you have got the third-party applications camera loaded on the Ome TV, you can just enable the cameras that were disabled from here. Okay, let's enable it. And this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.